In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AliExpress payment error. If your payment keeps failing on checkout, don't worry. Most issues come down to card details, bank security checks, or account verification, and you can fix them in a few minutes by following along. Start by opening AliExpress, heading to your account, then payment. Remove any saved card that's giving you trouble. Now re-add it carefully. Type the card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as they appear on the card, and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch like a missing apartment number or an outdated zip code can trigger a decline. While you're there, double check that the card hasn't expired and that it supports online and international transactions. Many debit cards require international capability to be enabled before they'll work on marketplaces like AliExpress. If you're still getting a decline, contact your bank or card issuer. Banks often block unfamiliar international e-commerce by default. Ask them to allow transactions with AliExpress, confirm that international purchases are enabled, and make sure 3D Secure or one-time passwords are active for your card. Also request removal of any temporary fraud blocks. This step alone resolves most transaction declined messages because it tells the bank the purchase is legitimate. Next, make sure your AliExpress account is fully verified. In your account, complete both email and phone verification. AliExpress risk systems are strict, and unverified accounts or accounts with repeated failed attempts can be throttled. Avoid using a VPN, switching between multiple accounts, or retrying the same payment over and over in a short period, as those patterns look risky to automated systems. If the card keeps failing, try a different payment method. PayPal and Alipay are widely supported and often go through on the first try. You can also use a different credit or debit card or Payoneer where it's available. In many regions, PayPal has a higher success rate and gives you an extra layer of protection at checkout. Now review your country, currency, and address settings. Your shipping address should match the country selected on the site or app, and the country on your card should match your AliExpress account region. Currency mismatches can also cause rejections, so choose the currency that aligns with your card when possible. Finally, try a different device or network. AliExpress may block payments from suspicious IPs, public Wi-Fi, or VPNs. Switch to mobile